हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू फिटनेस फिलास। जैसे कि हमने आपको प्रीवियस एपिसोड में दिखाया था एप एक्सरसाइज, आज हम उसी एप एक्सरसाइज के साथ एक सर्किट करेंगे। दिस सर्किट विल वर्क मेनली ऑन योर अपर बॉडी एंड कोर। लेट अस गो अहेड एंड सी हाउ वी परफॉर्म दिस सर्किट। This exercise stretches your hamstrings, lower back and core, thereby ensuring blood flow to all these muscles. Do it slow and make sure you don't do any jerky movement to avoid injury. This exercise works on your core muscles. Make sure you breathe properly throughout this exercise. Keep your neck steady so that you don't strain it. This exercise uses almost every muscle in your body. Maintain a good rhythm and try not to rush through this exercise. You can watch our Ape exercise video for a more detailed explanation on this exercise. This exercise is the most easiest exercise and a lot of people do it. But to make it more challenging, you do this exercise as slow as you can, at the same time breathing properly. Exercise is the best body weight exercise for your shoulders. This also works on your triceps. Your head has to go all the way down and between your hands for maximum benefits. Inhale while going down and exhale while coming up. This exercise works on your sides. Hold steady and breathe normally. Align your hands for proper balance. Make sure your knees are lifted off the floor as well.
The circuit may look very easy, but when you perform, you may understand how effective it is. Like and share the video and subscribe to Fitness Fillas. Till then, stay fit and stay healthy.